In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop sharing a Microsoft OneNote notebook. If you've shared a notebook in the past and want to take back access, this walkthrough will show you exactly how to do it on Windows, Mac, or the web. First, open the notebook you originally shared. This needs to be an online notebook stored in OneDrive or SharePoint. Notebooks saved only on your computer won't have sharing controls, so make sure you're opening the cloud version tied to your account. If you have multiple copies with similar names, check the location to confirm you're in the right one. With the notebook open, look for the Share icon, typically in the top right corner of OneNote. Click it, and then choose Manage Access or Shared With, depending on the version you're using. This panel shows everyone and everything that currently has a way into your notebook. It's essentially your control center for permissions. If you shared the notebook directly with specific people, you'll see them listed under Direct Access. Find the person you want to remove. Next to their name, click their permission, such as Can Edit or Can View, and select Remove Direct Access. Once you do this, they'll no longer be able to open the notebook. And if they had it open already, their access will stop working the next time OneNote syncs. Repeat this for any other individuals you want to remove. Keep in mind that owners and certain admin roles may retain access. You're removing the direct access you granted. If someone is part of a group that still has permissions, they might keep access through that group, so check carefully if you use shared groups. Next, handle any shared links. In the Manage Access panel, look under Links Giving Access. If you see a View or Edit link, click Disable Link to turn it off. This instantly breaks that link, so anyone who has it won't be able to open the notebook anymore. If you created multiple links over time, be sure to disable each one you no longer want active. Turning off links is important because even if you remove individual people, a live shared link can still let others back in. That's it. Your changes take effect almost immediately, though it can take a moment to propagate across devices. When you're done, close the Manage Access panel and continue working normally. By reviewing direct access and disabling any active links, you've fully stopped sharing your OneNote notebook.